stretch for a friend of mine. But after 4 years, it suddenly dawned on me. The cat I'm serving time for is out walking down the street, holding his head high up in the air, a real citizen. Man, that cat made a fool out of me. I made a prison breaking 1953. I knew we shouldn't try, but I had to be free. Something went wrong, some little rat must have squealed. They had me surrounded in a break-on field. Give yourself up, come off with your hands in the air. But I don't care, I started running now, started coming now. More flying past my head. I kept on running now, they kept on coming now.
Hey man, you keep on shooting, I'ma wind up dead.
I stopped for a second just to catch my wind.
Saw the cops coming, had to run again.
I made a wrong turn, I ended up at the hop. They got to right behind me, but they blow that top. I grabbed the news chick, I said, no, don't you dare yell. I'm the big bogeyman that just broke out of jail. We started for the door, but took about that time. Man started playing about a lost old man. She started rocking now, and then rolling now. Rope and a all around, she kept on rocking now, and then rolling now. Say, I'd like to sit this one out if you don't mind.
Fill me up, whoa,
Way up high.
I mumbled to myself.
Man, this ain't no way to die. The band stopped playing, she finally threw me down. I stood across the floor, no one made a sound. They called it to the cop, I said, now take me away.
He said,
I don't know, hurly-gurly, I'm here to stay. I looked up at the chick, she said, let's have some more fun. I said, I don't think a day, I think I'd rather run. I started running now, had it coming now.
man, that chick's got a gun.
I kept on running now, she started